What's going on, guys? Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. Got a clean 2013 Harley Davidson Road Glide Custom with me today. It's got the denim black paint with the red pinstripe. Bike's in great condition. It's only got a few little shiny spots on it, which is kind of prone to happen on the denim paint. But no scratches, no dents, no damage or anything. It's got the 103-inch fuel-injected twin-cam 6-speed transmission. Got the engine guard installed. Bike's got under 10,000 miles. It runs and rides great. This bike, let's see here. It's got cruise control. Just trying to see if it had the security on it. I don't think it does. No security on the bike. It's got the shorty tinted windscreen. It's got brand new tires on it, front and rear. Still got the hairs on them. Looks like there's a small little chip in the pinstripe there. A few little pit marks on the lower fork legs, pretty common. But it is one of our certified pre-owned motorcycles, so it's been through our 32-point pre-delivery inspection. We test rode it, made sure everything was working correctly, and then we gave it a professional detail. Chrome's in great shape. It's got a heel toe shifter. You can see it's got a few more of the shiny marks on the inner fairing. Good looking bike. I really like the denim paints that Harley puts out. And this bike's got 9,191 miles. Runs and rides perfect. You saw that little rub mark I pointed out on that trim piece. Also got a full parts and service department if you want a little bit more, a little more noise out of that 103. Get you a set of slip-ons. We can definitely help you out. If you'd like to know more about it, pick up the phone and call us at 888-400-1151. You can also check out our website at cleanharleys.com. Got a full set of detailed pictures. You can also see the rest of our inventory. We do offer financing and warranty options. We take almost anything in on trade, and we sell and ship bikes worldwide. This is Nick with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Bedford, Texas. The freedom to choose.